Today we are discussing a very important topic, that is the perceived stress leading to increase in arthritis. What is the meaning of this? That is, whatever the patient is, for example arthritis, they always think negative. That is, it might increase, it might lead to me getting bedridden, or it might lead my life to become immobile. All these stressors lead to increase in the arthritis, especially inflammatory arthritis. I have also attached a proof of the research papers in this regard, so that people might understand this better and they go into this research paper and see that it is very much true that we are manifesting certain diseases by our fear. The more you fear that this might happen, this might go wrong, this will definitely, bad things will happen, that is like telling the brain what and all conducive factors you are bringing in for the bad thing to happen. That is also said in the spirituality and manifestation science, that you should see what good can happen when you are in any state of your physical body or physical self. For example, if there is an arthritis, you should see it as it is cured, rather than because of arthritis I might fall ill and I might be bedridden. You should not think of negative things. That is how in health manifestation happens. Now, usually we see patients in the clinic who some are very negative, some are very positive, some come with arthritis. There is a definite reason for certain arthritis. In Ayurveda, the reasons of arthritis are also stated as shobha and the stress and dukkha. That means when they are in real sadness and anger, all these are stated as reasons for arthritis. That means there is a vata vriddhi happening because of this manasika karanas, that is the mental reasons for manifestation of the disease. That means all these diseases can be avoided or reduced or cured and made it manageable in extreme cases if they refrain from these activities. Now, when arthritis occurs, the first thing scientifically, you get an RA test, you get an ESR test, everything is right, you should go into the proper detailing of diagnosis, but then you should avoid certain factors which are responsible for arthritis. Those are, even you should not think about the negative aspects. You should think all the positive things you can do to reduce stress and reduce arthritis. That is the best way to manage arthritis. Because as doctors, we usually see all these patients who come with arthritis, they are mentally devastated. So they find no hope that the knee joint will be cured. But in these present days, there are excellent medicines for arthritis, and they can have any amount of traveling, or they can climb stairs and do any kind of activity with a proper treatment. So we should also see that the patient is leading a stressless life, and the stressful situations responsible for arthritis have been removed from their life. So if there is a family which is having a stressful situation, to even escape the stressful situation, the illness plays a very important role. Illness helps them to escape all the sadness and all the activities, and the attention towards them is appreciated by the patient. That means when they are sick and they are in pain, all the attention from the family members is towards them. So they start kind of enjoying that experience, and the arthritis also increases. In the olden Vedas and all that, tathastu is said. So whenever you are manifesting that this will come, bad will come, the things might manifest in the wrong way. So we suggest the patient to make an affirmation that the arthritis will be cured as soon as possible, and I will be able to go and travel or go wherever I want. So that is one way to deal with arthritis, along with the proper diagnosis and medications. I wish everybody manifests health and prosperity, and never ever being dependent on other people. So have a healthy life, manifest health always. Thank you.